Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload copyrighted music on Instagram without getting blocked. Guys, usually when you upload a copyrighted music or copyrighted video onto your Instagram account, that post will immediately get blocked and removed, and you'll get a notification from Instagram. So guys, now watch this video carefully till the end. I'm going to show you how to prevent this. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, first you should understand the copyright system on Instagram and the copyright system on YouTube is different. On YouTube, if you get 3 copyright strikes, then your channel will get terminated. But on Instagram, if you upload a copyrighted music, then that post will get immediately blocked and removed. So even if you upload the same exact video more than 10 times, only the post will get removed and this will not affect your account. So now if you're planning to use a copyrighted music, then don't use more than 20 seconds of the music. The shorter the better. Now slightly change the pitch of the music to +2 or -2, and also change the speed of the music. Either decrease the speed or slightly increase the speed. Guys, this is actually cheating, and since it's Instagram, you don't have to worry. Man, what could possibly go wrong? Only the post will get removed, right? But nothing will happen to your account. But I don't recommend you to do this technique on YouTube, because YouTube will definitely beat your ass. And guys, I have an Instagram page with over 10,000 followers, and I only use copyrighted music and copyrighted videos. Till now, Instagram hasn't removed or blocked not even one video. Guys, not even one video on my account was removed. So you guys can trust me and use this method. Guys, one more important thing. If you are using a copyrighted music video or copyrighted videos on your Instagram account, and if Instagram blocks that video or music video, don't ever try to appeal that blocked video. You will definitely get into trouble. Guys, on YouTube, most of the so-called tech YouTubers are teaching people that if your post gets blocked by Instagram, just go and appeal. Guys, you're using a copyrighted music video or a copyrighted music or copyrighted video that doesn't belongs to you. How can you appeal? So if you fight for that content which doesn't belongs to you, your Instagram account will get terminated, and it's like me robbing that house, and when I get caught, it's like telling this house is mine and even that house is mine and everything inside that house belongs to me. That's not right, guys. So never try to appeal something that doesn't belongs to you. Now guys, on my next video I'll show you how to use a copyrighted video or a copyrighted movie clip on your Instagram account without getting blocked. So if you want to watch that video, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. And guys, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.